Dave's insanity sauce.
Is it a camera or a video camera?
It's video.
Oh, okay. I was like, dude.
Do it, dude. I'll case you on my
Wait,
neck,
look how
do
much
it.
is on it.
Do it!
That's a lot.
You want us? Jeez. Okay, go.
I'm scared.
Go.
Do it,
Go.
Josh.
Oh. It takes a little bit.
Yeah, it takes a little while.
You have some milk right there if you want.
He's gonna be feeling it for like, what, an hour or so?
At least.
His eyes are watering, you can see it.
He's just like seriously.
If he's a real man, he won't need any milk.
Oh, whatever.
He's a real man.
His eyes are watering.
Is that hot?
They look like they are.
Hey, Tanner, did you wash your hands?
Huh?
Did you wash your hands?
No.
Whatever you touch, you touch your eyes.
Feel it at all?
You touch other parts.
Oh. Yeah, it's on this one.
Or
They're
it's getting hot.
What's his pulse rate?
Oh, that hurts, doesn't it? Oh.
Remember, drink the milk.
This is seriously like the hottest stove you can eat. Are you feeling anything at all?
A little bit.
Oh my gosh.
But she didn't have
Oh,
as much
you're crying
sauce.
too.
I am?
It's okay. It's okay.
Do you guys want something to drink?
Okay.
We'll burn everything from this house.
Guys, bring some milk.
You wanna try some?
No, no.
Take the milk. Do it.
Milk.
Hey, go ahead.
Real men drink milk too.
No, come on.
Fun laps, it helps.
Get one left. I need one for tomorrow.
Oh.
Oh, Josh.
Is that the last of the steel?
Like, oh, he's gone.
What are those?
No, that's pizza. That was made.
I told you, dude.
It's kind of like a cinnamon. You still haven't had any milk. I'm amazed.
Yeah, Josh.
That's pretty impressive.
I'm proud of you.
Right in the salsa, whoever threw that.
Steve.
Okay, let's try it again.
It's not Steve.
Don't put that in the salsa, Steve.
I won't.
And it's on the chair.
That's good.
You should have put one in the
Oh,
milk.
Good man, Josh.
yeah, I bet Josh is gonna drink a gallon of milk in an hour. I bet he could.
And you know what's really good? It burns twice.
Jason
Oh.
Dillas.
Favorite fruit salad.